Hello guys, welcome to the video. It has been a little while that we haven't posted a video in our channel, and hence today I came up with an exploration about one of the awesome product called Locofy. And this is the product. The problem that this product trying to solve is when you have an UI UX prototype in Figma that has been developed by UI UX team or sometimes even us, it will consume quite a long time to convert the Figma design into code design. And here is where the product helps us by converting our Figma prototype directly into code design instantly. And the beauty is it even works for converting Figma design to React Native as well, which is very interesting to hear. And this product is already been adopted by so many companies from startup to pro grade. Now let us have a look at what we have done using this product. So this is my Figma file and this is the prototype which I have developed. So let's go to install the Locofi plugin. What you have to do is just right click on your Figma prototype, plugins, and you just go to, since I already installed this, it will be listed here. What you have to do is go to find more plugin, search here Locofi and click run, and you are all set for it. Okay. Now these are all my screens, which consist of one splash screen, side menu, notification screen, and some input field buttons, and the basic dashboards, bottom tabs which consist of everything, and the notification bell icon. Also I have used some font icons as well. Now click on a screen, right click. What we have to do in Locofi is you need to tag every screen. Like this is a splash screen, this is a side menu, this is a side menu, and when you go into the screen, you need to tag the bottom screens, bottom tab, which are all the bottom tabs, which is a button, which is a toggle drawer. Each and every section of a screen you need to tag in Locofi, and hence it will help us in generating a code for the same. So I'll show you. Click on this splash screen, right click, plugins, Locofi free plugins. I already tagged this. So how you will tag this? You just have to click this splash screen, click and done. If you give done, it will get tagged as a splash screen. We can see which is now, see, view tagged layer. It is showing the same screen for me, and you can also view the preview of it here. This is the preview of my splash screen, and you can close it here. And next we can see our side menu, right click, plugins, Locofi, and this is my drawer menu, which is the side menu. On clicking it, I have tagged all these things, which is a normal and active state. Normal state is that when the side menu is in non-active stage, and active is when it is in active stage. You need to click here and tag this individual layers for the same. And for the content, you need to tag the entire screen. On clicking the menu, which screen should it get populated, and all those things like that. So if I click on view tagged layer, so what we have to do is edit plugins, and if you give preview, then preview will be populated for us. Exactly. So similarly like that, we need to tag each and every layer. Then we'll go to the dashboard. So what are all available in dashboard? We have this bottom tabs, notification icon, and side menu. See, even the bottom tabs I have tagged. Dashboard, rate, interest, expense history, which you all can find it here. Rate, interest, expense history. Each and every section you need to tag it. Like click on it, bottom tabs, like home. When you click on home, you need to select this and yes, proceed. Then click on active, which is when it is in active stages. And content, entire dashboard section. And that's it. When you give preview, you will have this bottom tabs. And finally, when all the tagging is completed, what you have to do is make sure all of the prototypes are unselected, then do a right click, plugins, Locofi. No, I have selected a dashboard. Right click, plugins, Locofi. So all of our menus are tagged: starting screen, splash screen, status bar, bottom tab, term, everything is tagged, and hence we can go for viewing our code. Click on view code, choose all frames, and this is going to be a React Native project which I have already built, and hence we go with React Native. View code in builder. Here 44 layers, 35 frames with auto layout. So all of our project details are here. So continue to sync. It will take some time for generating our code. Our code is ready. So give view code in builder. Okay, so we have our prototype and our code as React Native code has been generated. Look at this code. The code quality is pretty awesome, guys. Like, I have been checked it for a while. It looks so good, and it is not any creepy code or something like that. The code is absolutely fine, and we have an option here to make our dynamic properties as a properties and value we can generate dynamically via making it as a component. And I haven't explored it yet. We just have a prototype. Let's take a look at it. View prototype. Splash screen. Let us go for Android. And this is our login screen. This is our home page. So let's toggle between the dashboard and things. Yeah, it looks good and working as expected. And we have a notification screen, and we have a side menu, payments, admins, and a logout. And when we click on any of these items, we have an option to pay for a vendor or whatever. So that's what the basic idea of this app is, to have a prototype for paying our vendors or customers, whoever it is, to have a track list of. And that's why I made this template, and it looks pretty good. So the next step is to export our code. So for that, we have to go to click on edit in builder, export, give your package name, app name, and app icon if you have within yourself, or it will have a default Locofi app icon that will get generated with the code. Select your starting screen minus login screen, and click on download zip and click on confirm export. This will export our React Native code. Yeah, it has got downloaded. Done. So let's take a look at the code that has got generated. This is the React Native code. Pretty much it looks like the same as a developer sits and writes all the design code into the JS file. It looks pretty similar and the quality is very good as well. I have added all the code in my GitHub. I will share the GitHub link in the description and you can see it here as well. Just clone this repository and give npm install and usual React Native things. Make sure your Android environment setup is up so that you can run the application in emulator or physical device as well. And you can see the app demo here, which I took it from my mobile phone. And also the other thing that I have noticed with Locofy is that when you have a self-explanatory naming conventions for your Figma prototype, that will help Locofy plugin to generate a quality code for us. And since the product is in its beta version, the team is looking for more and more developers to consume the plugin and develop their own product and to raise bugs or feedback if there is any. In case if you have any queries about the plugin, they are doing a pretty nice job in supporting the developers in their own Slack channel. Congrats to the Locofy team, the product has came out really very well, and special mention to Isaac who is doing a great job in assisting developers to get their product on track whenever they get stuck. And I am making this video as part of the hackathon that is being conducted in finecoder.io. You can vote me here as well after the project submission window gets closed. I will give you all the URLs and details to vote for me in the description below. You can vote for me if you like the project. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you up in the next video.